Welcome to FinCorp 360, your complete hub for finance, accounting, and business knowledge. The accounting process is not just bookkeeping. It is a structured financial control system's daily transactions into reliable financial intelligence.
Have you ever wondered how businesses keep their financial records accurate and organized?
In this video, we'll break down the 8 fundamental steps of the accounting process in a simple and practical way. Step 1. Identifying and recording transactions.
Every sale, purchase, payment, or receipt must be recorded with date, amount, and description.
Step 2. Preparing journal entries using the double entry system in ERP. Every transaction affects at least 2 accounts, one debit and one credit.
Step 3. Posting entries to the general ledger. The general ledger summarizes balances for each account. Step 4. Preparing the unadjusted trial balance. This ensures total debits equal total credits. Step 5. Preparing worksheets before final statements. Worksheets help identify errors and pending adjustments. Step 6. Preparing adjusting entries. Adjustments ensure accurate financial reporting. Step 7. Generating financial statements for a fiscal year.
The income statement shows profit or loss.
The balance sheet shows assets, liabilities, and equity.
The cash flow statement tracks money movement.
Step 8. Closing the books. Temporary accounts reset for the next accounting period. These 8 steps form a continuous accounting cycle. Each step builds accuracy and financial control.
Skipping a step can lead to serious financial errors.
Strong accounting leads to better decision-making. It ensures compliance, transparency, and growth. Understanding the accounting process empowers every business. Whether you're a student, accountant, or business owner, this knowledge is essential.
And that's the complete accounting process explained in 5 minutes.
The accounting cycle begins with a transaction, which is recorded and classified. After verification and adjustment, reports are generated.
The accounting cycle is not just procedure, it is protection. It ensures accuracy, financial discipline, and smarter decision-making. Thank you for watching FinCorp 360. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance and accounting insights.